Okay, we started right here. Then we jumped to here. Then we jumped here. Now we are here. Next destination is here. So that's where we headed next. Start at the bottom, jump to the inland, jump to another chapter. We're in Antelope Valley right now. Next stop, Las Vegas. Then from there, I guess we're gonna double down and shoot for El Paso. That means you'll get that state, this state, this state, and down there. So we gotta hit that. And these are all the other chapters we gotta hit. Houston, Dallas, Tulsa, Shreveport, Jackson, Memphis, St. Louis, Rockford, Huntsville, Birmingham, Atlanta, Savannah, Jacksonville, Miami, Fayetteville, Raleigh, Petersburg, Fort Wash, Newcastle, the whole bubble. Detroit. Yeah. That's the goal. If you want to know what we're doing, that's what we're doing. That heat ain't no joke. We out here in the desert. One young lady then heat exhausted herself out. Gotta stay hydrated. Keep the fluids in you. Sit still, figuring out the game plan. Gotta keep pushing. Yeah. Heat. Ain't nothing to play with. At all. What we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on the ground. Check it out. That's right. First one.
To Russell Road. Keep left. Take the next right onto West Russell Road. Now turn right. The one with the fine woman Lois Line. I said I am, will I be on TV? turn right onto South Las Vegas Boulevard. Now turn right.
When I knew there had to be a better way, I packed my coffins into my as I am leaving, so I turned into a bottle cut out that evening. The first disco I hit was 54. They didn't even want to let me in the door. I said, listen, my man, I am a real cool guy. I can turn into a buck, I can even fly. He said, Dracula, you can do all of that. Then come on in and get your meat of rigataka. So I went inside and I started to dance and had that all the ladies waiting for their time. They said they didn't take off with his windows deep. And this nice way he deals the freak. He said, well, I come from is not called the freak. It's the Pennsylvania boogie 7 days a week. I didn't get to dance with them all that night, cause at the break of dawn, I saw a sunlight. I said, I'm sorry to say, I cannot stay, cause there's some pies must be in before it turns day. But don't forget, I'll be back. I like it when I get the need of it, cause I can see the good of my story. It's time I be leaving. In Pennsylvania, we say good evening. It's the wholesale said, damn, that's good. You'll be on TV in every neighborhood. He said, Super Ron, you're a real MC. We must put you on KBC. I said, I'll dress to impress, won't claim I'm best. I'll come a little better than all the rest, because I never come with any less than all the rhymes that will pass the jet. Because I'm cool as ice, I'm twice as nice. I never had an off day in my life. You see, I took all your money, bust out your wife. Make your days to me all your life. And when I get in my stuff and I start to rhyme, there's something MC's hiding for a time, because my voice is very tone, and I really don't need no microphone that I use. Anyway, to make sure niggas hear what I say and from here to there, to hear my voice. The niggas hear me and my choice, because my head's more weighted in the ships and the Navy and the use of boats to stay afloat. To put hickeys all over my phone, because I'm so cool, 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 cool. Because I'm cool as so, I'm like savoir-faire. I'm the man you can't find anywhere, because I'm cooler than cold, I'm hotter than heat. I rock to the rhythm of the funky beat, because I got what it takes to make everybody a wanna break. You see, I got what it take it, make you wanna break a one, break a two. I said, if this is what I wanna say to all of you, go and tell a phone or tell a friend. The man known as Super Ron's back again, and all you fly guys, I'll tell you this. I'll tell you.
Las Vegas, Harley Davidson. Y'all ready to get this walk on up these steps? Let's do it. All the way. He high stepping. We gonna see how long that high step lasts.
Where's the top? Right there?
Top is up there. My man PJ said, Rob, it's one of the wonders of the world. I just got through watching this on National Geographic, me and my wife. So it wouldn't let you drive across. So suppose we're gonna be able to get to it with what I'm about to show you right now. Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. He's saying at some point they got turned around?
Well, I don't know if we can go down there.
See the cars? Oh, the car's going back uphill.
Yeah. So we would have walked across the river then.
Yeah.
Either way, to get the sign, to get the Arizona sign.
Yeah, we're going to have to get on the freeway. So we go to the freeway, next exit is going to be the sign.
Right, right there.
Yeah, so.
So I mean, either way, we're just going to get off and walk.
Yeah. Well, I know there's two parking lots, a parking garage, but you park and walk. See where that burgundy thing is right there? That's paid parking. The parking above it, where the must of it, that was free parking. You just have to walk down.
So it would have been part of the same distance to walk.
Yeah, but you would have got on the bridge. But I didn't, obviously they saw something different that we didn't see and turned around because we didn't make it that far down the hill.
Well,
Yeah. So let's see if these cars turn around or not. We got two white cars right there going down.
yeah. See, I haven't been over here since they built all this.
Oh,
I've been on the bridge, but never went back down on there since they don't have us going to the bridge now.
oh, okay.
Down.
Oh yeah, I came right after this got built.
Yeah, back in the day, they'd drive you all the way down. It'd take like 2 hours just to come across the damn thing.
I see cars that are security cars going across there.
So I'm wondering if we would have rolled over there, or we could have shot back out and been back in the highway.
We'll never know because we're all up here now.
Yeah. I just made everybody walk up.
Yeah, he just did, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Now, if I see them two little white cars we saw on the road go by, I know we've been, somebody gave up too soon.
Yeah, I gave it up too soon.
Are you in the lead?
Yeah, I was the one that turned back around.
Why you turn around?
Because I wasn't sure if there was...
I think you abandoned ship too soon.
Huh?
You abandoned ship too soon because I see one white car, if another one right behind it, you quit too soon. Yeah, you did. Oh well, I'll keep it to myself. They're halfway walking. So it's a little late now. God damn it. This could be you, but you wasn't here. That's all I got to say. You see it.
That's where we was. We did a U-turn down there. Yeah, this thing was already up here.
We've been going since yesterday, about 3 in the morning. Since earlier today at 3 in the morning. I don't even know what time it is now.
But I want to say, let me see what time it is. It is, damn, 9 o'clock. Okay. So we like 2 hours out of Phoenix. We're gonna keep pushing to go to Phoenix. So we started from Senorita, whatever, the Mexican border. Do all the above. We finna pushing.
Ground pounder.
So we're gonna be caught up in that sun.
That's
It's gonna be
you.
hard. We're gonna be stopping. We're gonna
Hey, we just stopped
well,
in.
we can leave
We
at 6. We
consider-
can call it 6.
We considering
Just do
what we gonna do.
You know, trying
We've
to
been
make
having
San
such a
Antonio,
hard
you know,
time.
We called it in the end. You know,
I don't think we want to do
So
it.
y'all,
same thing here. We're still going in.
so y'all going for 6, or y'all gonna change it? You gonna go for 6, or you gonna change it up? You
What time
think?
y'all want to get up?
Get up on the bike. Now we talked 2 different things. On the bike.
Now you said,
What time kickstands up?
There we go.
I say compromise 4. I say 4:30.
4:30 ain't good.
No good?
I'm gonna tell you that.
We sit here powwow
Okay.
right now.
All right.
We'll be in bed by 12.
It's been like
Get up in 4 hours.
1:13.
Okay, no good.
Uh,
5:30?
All day.
You wanna go 5:30? 5:30 or 6? 5:30 or 6? Which one?
5:30, you
do our little
leave
picture
it
shot
at 6.
there.
Kickstands up at 6.
Okay.
So that means we gotta get up out of here so we can do what we can do at the room and everything.
Get the room, shut it down, find something to snack on, lay it down. Gas your bike up right then, and then
Yeah, see, cause that, the way you want it is
And we
like
so
4 hours
man,
sleep.
so many bikes
And if we get in there, sometimes I will get less. I probably end up with 2.5, 3 hours.
yeah. By the
I'll
time
be
you
fucked up.
calm down and lay down,
I'll
you'll
be
be
fucked up.
I got the road video.
I get my phone do that.
yeah.
Get my 4, 5.
Well, the day is over with. Time to lay it down, get some food up in there, up in me for energy. And one of my favorite spots, the Waffle House, over here on Baseline in Tempe, Arizona. For those who come down for the Soul Brother events they used to have down here, are still having. You know where we at, right by the mall. It's been a long day. I've seen some things, learned some things, but pretty much about 800 miles today. Yeah, about 8, yeah. Tomorrow they say they're gonna shoot for 1,000. Woo-wee! 1,000. Oh, let's see where it takes us tomorrow. Gotta go. Eat my food and go lay it down.